The HumeFlo approach to alleviate subsoil compaction. Compacted subsoil is linked to various detrimental problems for farmers and the production potential of fruit trees and crops. A major contributor to subsoil compaction, often overlooked, is irrigation water. Water is used abundantly in agriculture and usually contains insoluble minerals and salts. The types and concentrations thereof ultimately influence soil structure. One of the most prevalent examples is calcium carbonate, where the positively charged calcium and negatively charged carbonate forms an insoluble salt. Therefore, the calcium isn't available to bind to the negatively charged soil particles and cannot promote aggregate formation, as is the case with free calcium. Some advanced oxidation systems break down the carbonates to carbon dioxide and water. However, the calcium is immediately susceptible to other negatively charged salts, such as phosphates. Once again, the calcium is not freely available to promote aggregate formation. The HumeFlo system is a groundbreaking technique to alleviate subsoil compaction. In short, UV lamps in combination with a photocatalyst produces oxygen-free radicals, highly reactive molecules, from atmospheric air. These radicals are introduced to the irrigation water at nanoscale bubbles with a Venturi system. The HumeFlo system is unique due to the addition of macroplex, an organic sequestering or complexing agent, that is also administered to the irrigation line with a simple bypass from the main irrigation line. As with other oxidation systems, the oxygen radicals break down the carbonates in naturally occurring calcium carbonate to carbon dioxide and water. Macroplex now binds to the free calcium, thus preventing rebinding to other minerals such as phosphates. Calcium macroplex complexes reaches the soil and macroplex naturally degrades due to its organic composition. The free calcium is now available to interact with the negatively charged soil particles, promoting aggregate formation and alleviating subsoil compaction. With less compacted soil, water, salts and gases can move more easily through the soil profile and leads to increased root volume and development. Ultimately, the HumeFlo system treats irrigation water to improve soil structure, as water can now penetrate deep within the soil structure, also leaching salts away from the root zone. The roots of trees and crops flourish. The porous structure of non-compacted soil allows for carbon dioxide to escape and oxygen to reach deep within the soil profile, which is an important process for soil life. With the alleviation of subsoil compaction, the root zone becomes a favorable environment for beneficial soil biology. Earthworms, beneficial fungi and bacteria enhance soil fertility and nutrient availability and uptake. Reduced subsoil compaction, abundant roots, as well as healthy and active soil biology results in increased profitability of fruit trees and crops for the farmer.